this morning, which I think is a game changer. We heard about HomeSnap early on. HomeSnap. Now, was anybody actually using HomeSnap at this point? I don't know if you asked who was actually using it. This should be an absolute download now kind of thing. This to me is the QR code killer, if you will. And I don't mean that in a bad way, disrespect the QR codes. But I have a hard time, thinking that some consumers are running around, especially if it's raining, they jump out of the car, they're trying to get their phone to scan a code on a sign that's tilted sideways. I just don't see that happening that often. And I always knew smartphones were going to get smarter. So HomeSnap, and you mentioned earlier today, but I'm going to try and show it to you a little bit live, is you're in front of the house. The smartphones know your location, it's geolocation. They know you're standing there. So you could be in a subdivision of any house, any property. Keep in mind, two caveats. It's pulling the data that's available to them. So it could be both public data, it could be some MLS data, depending on your market. So sometimes it may not be the most accurate from the public scenario, but it is what it is. You need to know this because who else has access to this app? All consumers, right? Consumers. They're going to be snapping away, right? So you get in front of the house, you hold your phone up, you can take a picture of the house, and you're only taking a picture of it for reference point. If it doesn't know your exact location, it'll just say, are you at 957 Tennis Ave or 959? And you just pretty much give it the exact address you're at, just touch the button, and what it will give you is whatever public data it can find. So for example, on this one, let's see if it pulls it up there, it's coming on. There we go, time to play. So we've got a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house on 2.68 acres. Single family, built in 1955, the taxes are 17 grand. That's a nice day, wow. It's stucco central, central air, heating central, full basement, and will continue to give you other data that's available as you scroll through the property itself. Another thing it will tell you, it'll give you comparables, if it can identify comparables. Keep in mind, there's a variable to comparables. It will also tell you that if the home sold in 2004, it'll tell you the sale price of that house. So it's going to pull the data raw from there. I've got to believe there are many other companies chasing this kind of technology because this is now using a smartphone in a right smart way.